This is Louisiana Night, part 3. Let's look at a couple of things before we begin. First of all, we have a time signature of 3, 4. So we're going to be counting in groups of 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. We're going to play all the way through. When we get down here, we have something called a first ending, and it has a repeat sign. The repeat tells us to go back to the beginning. So we play a second time. But the second time, when we get to here, we're not going to play the first ending again. We're going to skip over it, go straight to the second ending, and then that's the end of our piece. So for our hand setup here, I am going to go ahead and set up my right hand in C position. Now I've got a place here in measure 6 and 7 where I've actually got to play this note. So what I'm going to do when I get there is I'm just going to move fingers 2, 3, 4, and 5 over. And then the way that I'm going to get back to where I'm going is I'm going to, in measure 7, I'm going to do a little skip where I'm going to play finger 5, 4, and then I'm going to skip a key and bring 3 back down to here. And that's going to get me back in C position. Now I'm going to do something very similar when I get to the first ending. And you'll notice in the first ending I have to play one note lower than middle C. So that's the note B, which is right here. So all I'm going to do there is when I get to the first ending, I'm going to just shift those fingers over and play. And then I'll shift right back. So I'm going to have a shift upward like this at measure 6. And then I'm going to have a shift downward like this when I get to the first ending. So I'll try to point those out to you when I get there. Now for left hand, I'm going to put my left hand thumb on B. Should be able to stay there in this position right here the whole time. Okay, here we go. 1, ready, go.